Hey, girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. So super excited to be getting into using money. We've been using the idea of like candy for a while, like bags of candy, a box of candy maybe. But this idea of like bags of candy with 10 pieces in it, right? And if you need to subtract um, more pieces of candy than you have available to you, like in the ones place, that you can take one of those tens, those bags of 10, and open it up and pour them out and add it to the ones place. Okay? So now we're going to be looking at that with money. We started to do that with my last video. So we're going to do some of that right now, and you'll get some practice, and then tomorrow you'll have some independent practice on your own. So make sure you pay attention, okay? All right, here we go. So I've set up a problem here. It's $47 minus $15. So you could think of that in a variety of ways, but in this situation, let's say that I have $47 and I owe somebody $15. So I need to give them $15, okay? So here's my tens place. That means only tens can go here, right? So each one of these represents $10. 10, 20, 30, 40. And in the ones place, only the ones go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have $47. So I'm subtracting 15. So that means I'm going to take away 10 here and take away 5 here if I can. All right. So let's see. If I start with my ones place, I take away $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So that worked. Okay, so that means I'm still left with $2. Okay? And it looks like on this side, I just need to take away $10. So I take away one of my tens. All right? And I'm still left with $10, $20, $30. All right. Sorry. So I'm still left with $32. And you can see that up here. 10, 20, 30, 31, $32. So 47 minus 15 equals $32. Okay? So that wasn't so hard, right? When you don't have to regroup, it's not that difficult, right? You just take from the tens and the ones and you get what you need. So and I can now give my friend his $15, right? That I owe my friend. Okay? So because I took it away and I'm still left with 32. All right, so let's look at one that's more challenging, okay? Here we go. All right, girls and boys, so let's look at this situation where remember last time I only had $32, so here's the $32. And let's say that let's say that I buy something for $15. Maybe I buy, I don't know, like a video game. They're probably more expensive than $15. Ooh, maybe I buy like I buy like a nice sandwich, like a sub, with some chips and, I don't know, like some water, ginger ale. I love ginger ale. I don't drink it very often because it's not good for me, but I do enjoy it. So I spend $15, okay? So how much am I left with? So I'm subtracting subtracting $15 from 32, okay? So let's take a look at what happens. I owe the person, at the cashier register, right? They're saying, okay, you owe me $15, Mr. McAndrew. And I say, okay, well, I have 32, so I have plenty of money, right? But if I want to give them exactly $15, okay, I'm going to try and take away, so I've got, let's say, take away 10 here and subtract, let me put it further down. I'm going to be taking away 10 and taking away 5. Okay. But I can't give them exactly 15 because I only have 2 ones, right? I do have a 10, but I don't have 5 ones. So how can I get more ones? Well, I could ask them to exchange this 10, right, for 10 ones. So this 10, in other words, this 10 becomes 10 ones. So I'm going to take this 10, right, and turn it into 10 ones. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's smooch these up here. I'm going to have to get my face out of the way here. So I put 4, And then let's see, 5, 6, 7, ooh, was it going to fit? 8, 9, just barely, 10. Okay, so now I have 2 10s and 12 ones. I have the 2 ones that I started with, plus the 10 that I was able to regroup from this 10. Okay? I still have $32, but now I can give them exactly $15. All right? So now I would give them 10, right? So now I've done that. And I have to take away 5 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I did that. And how much am I left with? Well, let's take a look. I'm still left with a 10. So I still have $10 here. And I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I still have $17. So $32 minus $15 is $17. Okay? All right, so this will do what I'm going to give you one to try and show you how this looks when you write it down. But this is generally the idea. And money is a nice way of looking at it. And just so you know, boys and girls, let me show you one thing real quick, okay? So I wanted to show you, I showed it to you a certain way to make my point. But in real life, what would probably happen if you owed $15 at the store, you would give them 20, right? Give them 20, but they would give you $5 back, right? They give you $5 back, okay? Because you only owe them 15, not 20. And so here's your $5 back, and look, you'd still end up with $17, okay? But I did it the other way just to show you what I was trying to talk about. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look at the next problem. All right, so boys and girls, tomorrow you're going to have work that looks just like this. So I want to show you how this works, okay? So we're dealing with money. This is the problem we just did with the actual, well, not the actual, but the Monopoly money, right? And it doesn't really fit on here. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with drawings, just by drawing it, okay? Because otherwise you'll be cutting out Monopoly money like I did for 20 minutes. So we're going to show $32. So here's how we're going to show it. It takes a little bit longer, but it's not too bad, okay? I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go make a little rectangle and write 10. Okay, a little rectangle, 10. Rectangle, 10. That's $30. And then I'm also going to make a rectangle and put a 1. And I'll make 5 of them, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You know what, boys and girls, I'm realizing I probably should make those a little bit smaller, right? Alright, so let me try to make it a little bit smaller for you. So I'm going to go rectangle 1. And I'm going to put 3 in a row. That'll be helpful. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So we have $35. You can see we have 3 10s, just like these. And we have 5 1s just like these. Okay? Now we're subtracting 15. We're taking away a 10 over here and 5 1s over here. Okay? Oh no, sorry. I made a mistake. Did you catch it? No, we don't have 35 over here. We have 34. We have 32. We have 32. Okay. So we have 32 minus 15. All right, so same thing that just happened. We can't take away 5 from the ones place. So we go over here, we can cross this out, and make this $10 bill into 10 ones. So 1, 2, you can put the little dollar sign there if you want, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have 2 10s, right? We have 2 10s, or 20, and we have 12 ones. Okay, we used to have 3 10s and 2 1s. Now we have 2 10s and 12 ones. But now we can take away 5 1s. So cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like we were doing with the 10s and 1s with the bags of candy and the loose candy, right? Same idea. So 12 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, that's $7. And if we take away one of these 10s, that still leaves me with a 10. Okay, so 10 plus 7 is 17. So we got the exact same answer as we got before. Okay? All right, I'm going to give you one problem to try on your own using this. So take out, all you need is, you have this in your packet. It says subtract with money. Put it in your dry erase sleeve and try out this problem. Okay? So go ahead and get that. Stop the video. Get what you need and then come on back. All right, boys and girls, so please try this problem. All right, try it the way I showed you with the money. You know, the way we've been doing it, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. Looks like this. The way we've been doing it, right? We would scratch out one of these and turn it into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pour out the bag of M&Ms, right? And we take away 6, take away the 2 10s. We've been doing it like that. But try it with money this time, drawing it out the way I just did it. And for some of you, it might make more sense using money because we already use money in terms of 10s and 1s, and 5s and 20s. But right now we're just doing the 10s and 1s. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking. You stop the video, do your work, try it out, okay, and then come on back when you're done so we can review it. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, boys and girls, so if you're back with me, that means that you already tried it, okay? Even if you didn't get it, I want you to at least try it. You could always go back into the video and try it and look at what I did. And so now I'm going to show you what you might have done, okay? So we have $43. We have 40, right? We have $40 in the tens place and $3 in the ones place. So we're subtracting 26. Okay, so subtract 20, subtract 6. I'm going to take away 6 from my ones place. I don't have enough ones, so I'm going to turn one of these 10s into 10 ones. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each of these are 10 is a dollar bill, okay? So these right here are the $10 that I just took from over here. All right, so now I don't have 40 over here. I have $30 over here. And over here, I have $13. I have 10 plus the 3 that we already had. Okay, but 30 plus 13 is still $43. But now that I have all these $1 bills, I can subtract more easily. So I'm going to subtract 13 minus 6. I believe is 7. Let's check. Take off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I was right. And over here, I have to take away 20. Take away 10, 20, and I'm still left with $10. Okay? So, oh, that's funny. This was the answer to the last problem too, wasn't it? So $10 here and $7 here means I have $17 left. Right? I had $43. I subtracted 26 because I owed somebody money or I bought something for $26, and now I have $17 left. Okay, so this is how you'll be doing it tomorrow. Some of the problems won't be, you may not have to regroup at all, right? So we'll do one quick one like that, and then we'll be all set. All right, boys and girls, please try this problem. It should be easier than the last one, so it shouldn't take you very long. Try it with the money, see how you do, and then we'll go over it together, okay? All right, so how'd you do? I set it up like this. I have $43, subtracting 21. All right, subtract one of these dollar bills, and I'm still left with $2 bills, right? Because 3 minus 1 is 2. And 40 minus 20 should be 20. Take off 2 of them, take off 20, and I still have 20 left. So I'm left with $22, okay? So you can see that's a lot easier, right? When you don't have to regroup. Yep. And that's it for today, okay? So if you want to practice a few more, feel free. Otherwise, great job. And tomorrow you'll get some more practice with this. and I'll see you then. All right, bye-bye.